Got chili in my eye.
Oh wait, I can't down stuff.
Oh please, go on.
I'll try.
You downed your first shot last weekend.
That was not a shot, that was half. That wasn't even first shot.
Go on, just drink it.
Right, fine.
Oh, come on.
Boy,
Show me, burp for us.
I can't drink it.
Come in.
I've got it from around my mouth, anyone?
Burp. Oh, I can't burp under pressure.
I know I can't burp on camera.
You downed it.
Got a noodle in your arm.
I don't feel very well. I don't burp, look.
I can't get one going.
Right?
You will burp like 40. I can't feel one coming, sorry, I failed you.
Wait. Oh no, I can't burp.
I'm just yawning.
Oh well, okay. I guess Mal's biggest burp. Yay!
Wait. Oh no, it's gone.
Oh, for fuck's sake, come on, Isabel.
There you go. That's disgraceful.